Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming why an adapter may be required. The Samsung A12 uses USB-C but may rely on digital audio profiles. Therefore, make sure your earphones are USB-C native or have a compatible adapter. Once done, inspect the Type-C connector for dirt or bent pins and gently clean it. This prevents poor contact. Make sure both devices have enough battery. A sudden shutdown can interrupt pairing or recognition, so charge to around 20% or more before continuing. You now plug the Type-C earphones into the phone, pushing until they click or feel fully seated because a loose connection causes dropout. Next, check settings, then sounds and vibration. Some phones show an audio output selector. Choose USB-C audio if present. If you used an adapter, confirm it is a digital audio adapter rather than charge-only. This matters because charge-only adapters won't send sound. Once you set the correct output, play a short audio clip to verify playback and volume control. Finish by adjusting the phone's volume and confirming the media app isn't muted, since app-level silence is common. If you still hear nothing, restart the Samsung A12, reinsert the Type-C earphones, and test again. Reboot often resets audio routing. Make sure to check developer options for USB audio routing if you're comfortable enabling it, because some phones default to wired output only in that menu. If problems persist, try the earphones on another device to determine whether the fault is the phone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.